Ever feel like you understand a concept in your head but struggle to explain it to someone else, or even to yourself? That gap between knowing and truly understanding can be frustrating, especially when you are trying to master new material. To avoid common pitfalls in the Feynman technique during self-explanation, you need to move beyond surface-level recitation and actively engage with the material to identify and fill knowledge gaps. The technique is powerful, but only if applied rigorously. Many students believe they are using the Feynman technique when they are simply summarizing. The core reason pitfalls arise is a lack of true simplification and an unwillingness to confront areas where understanding breaks down. Real mastery comes from breaking concepts down to their simplest form and then rebuilding them without jargon, as if teaching a child. This process exposes superficial learning, revealing where your comprehension is weak. First, when you explain a concept, imagine you are teaching it to a 10-year-old. This forces you to simplify language and use analogies. Second, identify precisely where your explanation falters or uses complex terms, and actively return to your source material to clarify those points. You must ask yourself, why did I struggle with that part? Third, create or solve a relevant practice problem using only your simplified explanation to truly test your understanding and practical application. If you cannot do this, you do not fully understand the topic yet. A key insight is the deliberate identification of ignorance points. This refers to those moments when you realize you do not fully grasp a detail or connection. Instead of glossing over them, these points become crucial signposts, guiding you to precisely what you need to review and understand better. Engaging in active recall, where you retrieve information from memory rather than rereading it, further strengthens these neural pathways. By diligently simplifying, identifying and filling knowledge gaps, and actively testing your understanding, you transform the Feynman technique into a dynamic learning tool. This ensures you build a robust and lasting comprehension of complex topics, moving you beyond mere memorization to genuine mastery.